Hey, it's Jamie J, the classy cheapskate, and this is my daughter, Nicole. Today we're going to do 5 simple science tricks that are kid-friendly and super exciting. I'm a mother of 2 with a huge passion for science and art. With that said, let's dive right into the first experiment. Our first fancy trick is painting with bubbles. This is so much fun. Anyone can create awesome art with just a few household supplies.
You're going to want to start by putting on protective gloves and eyewear. You will need a dish, acrylic paint, a straw, dish soap, a plastic spoon, and paper. In your bowl, mix together dish soap in any color of acrylic paint that you desire. Add water, mix again, and begin blowing bubbles in the mixture using your straw. Be careful not to drink the mixture, obviously. Place your paper gently on top. Continue doing this until you are happy with the outcome. Let your art dry, then you can draw on it or display it as is. The soap in the water allows you to create the bubbles that carry the colorful paint along with them. By placing the paper on top of the bubbles, you transfer the shape of the bubbles right onto the paper, due to the paint being mixed right in with the bubbles.
Ooh, look at that one. The next activity that we'll be doing is called carbon snake, or what I like to call a fire snake. This is my personal favorite, and I'll be using a Mel Science kit for this activity. Mel Science graciously sponsored this video.
I love science, and I love doing experiments with my kids, keeping their brains active while creating and experimenting, learning at the same time. Mel Science kits certainly help to achieve this goal through safe and exciting experiments that you can do at home.
Mel Science is a subscription service with all of the equipment included. And if you'd like 25% off your first subscription with them, you can use the code CLASSY during checkout.
They send you a free starter kit with loads of awesome tools packed inside, including a virtual reality headset to help you with the whole process, as well as free VR lessons. There's no need to waste gas or time driving to a store or figuring out what to buy. Get new discoveries delivered to your door every month, and just when you thought it couldn't get better, Mel Science even offers up a free mobile app assistant with explanations of the experiments.
Please find all the information you need in the video description.
And now let's get the carbon snake started. We're going to work on a plastic tray for this experiment. Mel Science makes it very easy to perform experiments by giving you all of the supplies. So we're just going to mix these 2. Shake for 30 seconds. Here we have a pocket stove. I'm just going to place a piece of tin foil right here. We're going to put 1 big spoonful of this mixture right here in the center. We'll add 1 tablet to the top. Now you're going to want to take off your gloves for the lighting part. Okay, get ready, Nicole. When heated, the calcium tablet melts and decomposes with the release of carbon dioxide and water vapor. As a result, foam is formed. It burns, producing solid substances, which solidify in the form of a snake. The produced waste is harmless and can be disposed of with household garbage. And now for experiment 3, the foam volcano, also provided by Mel Science. We're going to take 1 spoonful of this product, which is a natural dye, place it in a plastic cup, add 20 milliliters of water, mix. Now we'll take our beaker and add 2 full bottles of these products. Then add 1 pack of liquid soap. Once you pour the dye into the beaker, something magical happens. We've got a reaction that creates a purple foam volcano. It's pure magic, really. Just look at that.
We use science for a lot of things in life, so even if you don't plan on becoming a scientist, it's good to know for cooking, growing a garden, and other everyday activities like making your own poopery. Anywho, our next experiment is invisible ink. You can write secret messages to your friends with this dandy trick. Now we're just going to use half the lemon. Since you have gloves on, do you want to squeeze it into there? We're going to use lemon juice as paint to write a secret message that's invisible. Okay, so you want to make sure you don't smudge whatever you're writing. You just want to write exactly what you want to show up later. Okay, so we'll let this dry. Should I do one too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Later on, when you are ready, simply place your paper near a heat source such as a light bulb. Be careful not to burn your paper though, or you could have a problem on your hands.
Doing these experiments is great to create bonding time with your kids. My kids think I'm amazing, right, Nicole?
Right.
But science is doing the work for me. There is always something new to learn, so let's explore our world. Since I love art, our next experiment is going to involve some drawing, but nothing extreme. This experiment is an optical illusion, and I call it fish in a bowl.
So you want to fold a piece of paper in half and draw a bowl on one side and a fish or two on the other side. Now tape this paper onto a pencil, and when you spin it around, your eyes will see the images as one. Your eyes can only see images at a certain speed, so if you spin that pencil fast enough, this experiment will work. Feel free to come up with your own drawing ideas too.
And that's it for the experiments. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any more great videos. Thanks for watching the Classy Cheapskate.